Kakehashi Day blossomed across the University of Auckland campus on the 10th of June 2025. Drawing nearly 160 bright-eyed students from Lynfield College, Mount Roskill Grammar, Mount Albert Grammar, Rutherford College, Rosmini College, Albany Senior High School and Orewa College. From the moment they stepped through the lecture theatre, decorated with tiny New Zealand-Japan flags, the air buzzed with anticipation. Throughout the morning, teams raced to solve kanji riddles, shouted eager answers in a fast-paced quiz bowl, and tried their hands at traditional favorites like Kendama, fukuorai and much more.
It's a video.
Shiro agete. Akka agenai de. Akka agete. Akka agete.
Lunchtime became its own adventure. Sushi packs, crispy pork cutlet bentō, and homemade onigiri appeared from baskets. Students swapped bites and stories, discovering that a teriyaki roll tastes even better when you trade it for someone's tempura.
You guys are quiet, please. A non-adjective. A, E, good, flat, fine. B, we are going to show the answers now. Here are your answers.
Hello everyone. Konnichiwa. Did you all enjoy quiz time today? Good. Yes. Yeah. I'm so happy to be part of this program with all your sunny, bright smiles. Despite the wet weather outside, we have another program. What is called the next scholarship. Next means the Ministry of Science, Education and Culture, Science Technology, Science, Sports and Technology. What is called next. So next scholarship also give you opportunity in the future to study at Japanese universities and graduate schools, further experiences in Japan. I hope that this program, I'd like to say thank you for all the sensei, supporters, collaborators, including the main confectionery over there, my close friend, and Negishi-san. Well, thank you for supporting this program, promoting this important Japanese language education through fun time. Well, thank you very much, and then ありがとうございました。
Are you fascinated by Japan? Planning a trip soon? Let Sakura TV take you there. From the latest news and travel guides to culture, J-pop, sumo, documentaries, and cooking shows, we bring Japan to your screen 24/7. Enjoy our free streaming service anytime, anywhere, no registration required, exclusively for Australians and New Zealanders. And enjoy G-rated content perfect for the whole family. Simply visit www.sakuratv.com